actual diver was in the tank, the fish tank. This is my life! Head to toe with salt. Like I feel the salt on my skin. We're only doing beach. Oh, okay. Wait, why stop? I am on my way to Antalya, Turkey. Just checked in my bag. That was like the quickest check-in. Went really smoothly, so I feel very happy. As usually, I don't like airports, but everything is going well so far. It's 5 in the morning now, and my flight is at 6:30. I was kind of like drifting off. I was sitting down, and I was like, no, we need to walk around. I had to avoid Starbucks because I really want coffee, but I want to sleep on the plane. It is a 3 hours and a half flight. To be able to get a good sleep on the plane. Oh, that's our car. Now I'm heading to a hotel. It's a very interesting looking car. I was not expecting this interior. My friend's flight arrives tonight, so I have the whole day to like chill. I'm gonna dig into the fries now. So I got to my room. It's the cutest little hotel because I thought breakfast was until 11. That's why I bought Burger King. But then now she told me breakfast is open until 2. So she said you can go now and eat. So I'm gonna go for sure. I couldn't even finish the burger. Yes, AC is on. Oh my God. They have the windows open. Like, is that supposed to be appealing? Coming from a long trip in this heat? No, I'm just kidding. Great. We have a fly in the room, just came in.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in Monday. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now,
Hello. I took a nap. Took a really good nap. I was exhausted. I was like really pushing through. I saw the beach. The water was so blue and I could hear the waves, and I was like, no, I need to go in for a swim. I don't know how I was functioning. The moment I got back to the room, I basically like passed out on the bed. This is my hair situation now. I'm just like fix this part a little bit and then we'll make it look cute. It's fine. My friend's flight got delayed. She's coming from London, so her flight got delayed. I'm just taking my time to recharge from the last 2 days. I think I'm still gonna chill for a bit because I'm feeling still tired. My body physically needs a massage. Because sea salt is really good for my hair. Like, it does magic to my hair, I'm not gonna lie. But it's a little shorter than I had expected. I know I cut it, but I like it. I like this little cute little Annie hair. Tomorrow, I love you tomorrow. I was trying so hard to keep the room clean for my friend. When she comes in, she can like enjoy it the way I did when I came in. And it's not easy. I have a lot of stuff that I want to unpack. So I am going to the beach again because the hotel is right on the beach and I love that. So I got my book. I'm just gonna go and relax. It's about 5:30 p.m. now. I'm just gonna head there and chill until my friend gets here. Yeah, I get this time for myself. And it's nice, but I still really can't wait for her to get here because I miss her. I want to see her. I hope they have ice cream. I'm really craving ice cream. Otherwise, I'm just gonna get iced coffee because I'm also craving coffee. Let's get there. Let's go.
Wasting money on cures. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out.
Going to the beach now to have breakfast and chill. We just woke up, so that's the update. Thank you so much. We're getting ready to go for dinner. We have some time before dinner. We're gonna walk around. We're gonna go to the old town. The beach was so nice today, but we were so tired, both of us. My friend came late. She had a late flight and it got delayed. So today we woke up super late, but we needed that sleep, which was really restful and good. And then after breakfast, we just chilled on the beach. And I do not like the lighting. I'm trying to figure out the angles of this place. Oh yeah, you're actually perfect. This is perfect. Oh my goodness, yes. Very simple, very clean because it is so hot. And my hair, I'll do a slick back bun, which is basically gonna be like this, but I didn't really brush it properly. This is just so it wouldn't dry. Use some creamy. I'll just put a little bit. The hotel is really nice. It's really quiet. It's not a resort like, so I love that it's like mostly adults are in here. You have a few kids, but it's overall it's very, very quiet, secluded. It feels calming, which is what we both wanted. I'm feeling a bit awkward doing this with my friend around because I feel cringe. So I'm like, hi. Who's this? I'll pause for a sec. Are you gonna do like full eye makeup and stuff?
Yeah, I think I might. I only take photos, I don't do videos.
Yeah, videos. I actually do the opposite. I don't think I look good in pictures sometimes. I was gonna do a really simple makeup.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
So I finished my hair. I'm finishing my makeup now. This is actually basically my makeup. I'm finished. I don't know what I'm talking
Let
about.
go of disguise.
Bronzer.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy we go.
I'm gonna go get dressed. It was a struggle putting this through. No, because Steve's wearing this.
Oh, this is really nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Is it real?
No, it's not.
It's really nice.
Honestly, you look really cute, even with this hair.
Oh,
Oh, you're welcome.
you're a boy.
So I decided to wear these. And so this is the first time we're going to the old town. And I'm not sure like how safe. It is. Because we're going for dinner, but like we're gonna walk around a bit before dinner. I'll put them in my bag and I'll put them on when I get to the restaurant. So this is the bag I'm gonna take. I'm gonna put my money, cute little mirror, compact powder with a mirror, lip balm, a cute little lipstick, lip liner, lipstick that I have on. Just to have options, you know, why not? I haven't been drinking enough water. I need to stay hydrated. So hot. I'm going for dinner because we took so long getting ready. So some people took so long getting ready. So we're gonna go straight to dinner, and then afterwards we'll walk around in the old town. So should be fine. So we got back to the hotel. We had the weirdest experience with the taxi. We went to the old town and this guy, one of the taxi group people, opened the door from my friend's side and he was like, come follow me, I'll show you the way to the old town and I'll show you a shortcut. Come, don't worry. He kept saying the wrong things. First of all, he's like, come, I'll show you the way. And me and her contemplating like, maybe let's just go back to the hotel, we'll come tomorrow in the morning. And then he goes, I'll show you a shortcut, come. We were like, no, thank you. We'll go back to the hotel. We'll come back tomorrow. And the taxi driver was giving us an attitude because we changed our mind. Hi, buddy. Mariam, just make sure it doesn't come inside. We wanted to stop by a supermarket. And for some reason, the taxi driver refusing to stop by a supermarket before our hotel stop. We were like, you know what, just get us to the fucking hotel. And now this cat, yeah, go in. This cat, okay. So we're just gonna change and can you hear it? So we'll just change and we'll go to a supermarket because we need water, we need snacks, we need something. And one last point, we really felt like we looked too cute to get out of that taxi. It was like not safe. Maybe we should look less cute tomorrow. We're trying to de-cute now because we're gonna go to the supermarket. But it's really, I mean, you guys, we're really humble here. This is me de-cuting. That's like, so I can talk about it now since we joked a little bit. So today she took 3 hours getting ready. I'm not joking. We came into the room at 3 p.m. from the beach. And then she was like, no, slow it down, because I was getting ready really fast. She's like, slow it down. It's gonna take me time. So I stopped. Altogether, I stopped. I sat on my iPad. I chilled while she was getting really pretty. And then every time I see her on her phone, I'm like, how long do you need, Maya? So it was like, it literally took her 3 hours. We left at 6. So now I'm just telling her, let's not take 3 hours getting ready. And then she said, no, we were just chilling today. I can do it faster. So I appreciate that. So tomorrow we'll do it faster.
I feel exposed.
Yeah, it's fine. We were really happy. We were really chilling today, so that's not a problem.
We enjoyed it. Getting ready was the fun part.
Yeah, but tomorrow, like 1 hour is good. 1 hour and a half. Because in 3 hours, we could have done so much in 3 hours. But we were chilling and that's fine because we were in that headspace. So it's okay. So first thing, we're going to the old market. You're done? Let's go. Okay, let's go. So itinerary for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the old town, the one that we went to today. and it just didn't work out. So we decided to go tomorrow morning. We'll sweat there, we'll enjoy the shopping, we'll enjoy everything, and then we will come back and chill on the beach. I can hear the cat, Mariam. It's gonna come in. There's a cat right outside our door. We can't open the door because it's gonna run inside. Because it befriended my friend.
Cat mom energy.
Oh yeah, it does not look hostile. We can leave. It doesn't look like it's pushing to come inside.
Come when we go in.
Yeah. Well, that's what you're the cat mom. You can do that.
This cat's a bit big now.
It's like chilling.
Let's go.
Go out. Did you leave from the window? It was here a second ago, I swear.
Probably from the window.
That's so weird. Let's go. You're filming?
Yeah, I just want to show
Good morning. It's a good day. We had such a good night last night. We just chilled by the beach and talked, and we were catching up on life and things. Basically, now we're gonna go have breakfast. We're gonna go to the old town, and then we're gonna come back. We'll have the afternoon for the beach, and then later in the evening we're going to the land of the legends, or land of legends. I don't know, but it's supposed to be really cool and this really interesting place. And then we'll have dinner there as well. So that's the plan for today. So basically that's my face. It's ready. And I'm gonna put my favorite thing in the world. And we are done. Okay, let's go. Going to breakfast. I'm two different people, before and after coffee. I'm having my second coffee, Turkish coffee. So we just arrived at Kalichi. It's Kalichi, right? Yeah, so we just arrived at Kalichi. We're still walking to the place. The streets are pretty, actually. It has a cute little vibe. Hello. So we're going for dinner. I'm just gonna get ready really quickly. I got so tanned today. Just gonna use a sponge. We're having our dinner at Nemo. It's a sushi restaurant and it's supposed to be really good. our dinner. I haven't had sushi in so long. I was so happy that we picked this one. The sushi was good, the vibe was really good of the restaurant. They have a lot of proposals. They had 2 different proposals. And then the second one, an actual diver was in the tank, the fish tank, holding the Will You Marry Me paper. Oh, hi. So we're heading back to the room. We had such a good time. We got some food and we're gonna shower and then get ready to go to a few tourist attractions and just enjoy the city. I need to shower. I'm like covered head to toe with salt. Like I feel the salt on my skin. Oh, cold air. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my god, the room is so cool and nice. So I haven't been vlogging enough because I've just been having a really good time, just chilling and like enjoying some time with my friend. So yesterday we found this really nice driver. He said he can take us to like multiple tourist attractions for a really good price, and he'll wait for us and he might show us around if we want to. So we got really lucky and he took us to the Land of Legends yesterday and waited for us there for like 2 or 3 hours and then took us back to the hotel. He's coming in like 2 hours. So we would go, I forgot the name of the waterfalls. We're gonna see a waterfall, but I'll try to take videos and film and show you as much as I can. I'm more of like, just let me beach. I just want to lay on the beach and enjoy the doing absolutely nothing. And just like either read my book or watch people or have my coffee and just relax. And I love that. So we did that for a few hours now. And what else? It's really it. It's such a good time. The hotel is really nice. Just we've had some Wi-Fi issues in the beginning. So yeah. What's up?
The lady asked me what time we want the taxi tomorrow.
7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. So we're checking out tomorrow. But did she say anything about the late checkout?
Oh no, I didn't ask her.
Okay. Is this the nice one?
This is the young one.
Ah, okay. She's nice. We'll ask that one tomorrow. So who wants to shower first?
I can show
You can go first because I went first last time. How pretty. It's really beautiful. So pretty here. Wait, I want to show you this beautiful spot. I'm surprised how much I like this. I think I like this more than you do. Guys, touristy things are not my thing. Like, it takes so much effort for the people that I travel with to take me to tourist places. But then when I get there, I'm happy. I don't know what that's about. I don't know. We're hiking. Isn't this a hike? We're gonna be hiking. Yeah. I kept telling you, like, we're gonna go hiking. Like, no, if it's not hiking.
you. This is a very easy hike.
Videographer charges, please. Mate, I'm gonna die. This is my life.
Thank God we got to the exit.
20 minutes later.
I thought we were done. This is a workout. I'm so glad I wore my sneakers. She kept telling me, it's not a hike. And I was like, no. Like, to me, that's an effort, so I'm gonna put on my sneakers. Look. I'm not happy now.
One eternity later.
I'm legit out of breath, Mariam. This is meant to be like a 20-30 minute thing. And now it's like 40 minutes. Oh my goodness. I don't have water. Do you have water?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Made it out, guys. We made it out alive. Oh my goodness. We went to this place. Now we're here. It was too hot. We decided not to go in. So because it's so hot, we're skipping Pergo. We're going to Espindos and then Sida. We're doing a quick coffee break. That's what I'm saying. This waterfall we went to was the most beautiful natural scenery I've ever seen in my life. I was like in awe. This waterfall was so pretty. So because we have our lovely driver explaining everything to us, and it was so cold. The water was so cold. There was an area where you can dip your feet in it, and then we did, and it was so cold and refreshing. And we drove so far though to get to this, and honestly it was worth it. You feel refreshed, don't you? I feel so refreshed, right? I was like, my bunion is happy. I feel like it healed my bunion. Absolutely worth the drive because we drove a long way, and then after that hike we took, this was exactly what we needed. Okay, so next we're taking the boat. So we're taking this boat, cute little boat, around, and it should be fun and interesting because we have our taxi driver. He's Turkish and he's so nice. He's the one that's like taking us around now. Oh, okay. Wait, why stop? Oh, they're warming up. Beautiful boat trip. We decided to have dinner in this side of town. We have a reservation in the Land of Legends, but we're so tired, we're so hungry, and the driver, bless him, he's been with us the whole day. So we were like, you know what, we'll just pick a restaurant here and eat. And the people here are so nice. They're nice. They're nice. And we're checking out tomorrow, so this is our last night here.
It's good? Yeah.
It's perfect. Thank you.
1 minute. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Bon appetit.
Oh, thank you. We finished our dinner. Mariam, can I now officially show you? This is Mariam! Woo! We're in Turkey, you can see the flag. Antalya. Who's bringing the car? Yeah. Such a good day. Okay, so today is checking out in like 3 hours. We're so exhausted from yesterday. The plan is we're gonna chill. We're gonna do beach today. We're only doing beach today. We have to go to the airport at 6, so we have a lot of time to kill. That is our breakfast. Checking out. We still have so much time until our flight. We're gonna go to the mall for about 2 hours and then we'll come back, take our luggage and go to the airport. We are to the airport. We're at the airport actually. Yeah, we're at the airport. We are exhausted. The flight got delayed like 30 minutes, so yes, we're here. So we're heading to London. I'm heading to London. She's heading home. I'm like living life. She's like so down, and I'm happy. So yeah, we're heading to London. No, wait, she said she doesn't look cute. She always looks cute. Okay.